Look at what's happening to my game. Yeah. What? What is this guy doing? What is happening? Yo. Why were you glitching so much? Huh? What? Why are you glitching so much?